From the dawn of dreams we rise, through the years, the open skies. 22, the journey strong, Aurora shines where we belong.
Carving stories into stone like Bayon's face, forever known. Time may pass, but we remain guided by the light.
Through joy and pain,
Aurora legacy, shining endlessly. 22 years of harmony. Voices echo like the Bayon call.
together we rise, we stand tall. Steps we take across the lands, hearts united, holding hands. Every smile a light to guide, Aurora's flame will never hide.
Carving stories into stone like Bayon's face, forever known. Time may pass, but we remain guided by the light.
Through joy and pain,
Aurora legacy, shining endlessly. 22 years of harmony.
voices echo like the
Bayon call.
together we rise, we stand tall. Whispers of the ancient walls, answering the future's call.